But you know, my mother did something very nice. My brother was in the Army, and there was a boy from the Holocaust.
Oh, yeah.
Herman. And he came to the United States, but then he had like a nervous breakdown. My brother used to bring boys home for my mother.
From the VA.
From the hospital.
Yeah.
To feed them, you know, to make them feel welcome. And Herman was in locked doors, and my mother once went to the locked doors and sat down and picked up his hand and talked to him and said to him, there's a reason that you're here, and you have to get well and tell your story. And he said to my mother, nobody ever talked to me that way. God damn it. Excuse me.
He got well.
He got well. I said, Mama, if there was a reason you were here on earth, it was to save Herman.